Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob, Rob's Nerdy Knives. I got a special unboxing, something I'm in from Franken Forge Blades. I spoke to Aaron about some things. We had a knife that we sent back because he was going to fix something. I got a weird, but you know what? After talking, I think future huge milestone giveaway. That's what this might be. So yeah, I'm going to hold on to it until we get to that big, huge milestone giveaway, but this might be a future giveaway. Let's take a look. All right, today I'm opening up my knife with my box with this knife. This is Nathan M. Knives. This is the Crisis. Love this little guy. One of his first designs out there. I got a chance to get a hold of one of these. Talked to him at Blade Show, Texas. We discussed maybe getting one of these before he even started talking about working some more. So I asked if I could be on his books for this, and lo and behold, I am. So here we are. All right, so we've got a Franken Forge blade. Now, you know, I recently sold mine because what happened with my wife, but I did talk to Aaron, and one of the things that we wanted to do, because I was one of the first guys to really kind of reach out to him and wanting to do something like that. If you would like to contact us, reasonable support. So here's a little card, and I believe on the back you have right here, proudly made in the USA, and I had put Skiff Caged Bearings on here. I think he's going to stick with his cage bearings. This is the number 29. This is an S35VN. So this was the one that was done for Blade HQ. So let's take a look at this. Okay. All right. So now what happened was I got this one in and it had like a scuff on it. So let's take a look here. Here, we ready? Oh, he polished that up really nicely. There was a huge scuff right here, and he goes, of course, it would go to a knife reviewer. And I like this one a lot. And I did put skips on this guy. The action, here, let's get clear the detent. Watch this. Okay, he did tighten up the pivot a little bit. I had it a little looser. I think he's a drop shut kind of guy. He likes the shake shut, which is fair. You know, if you like shake shut, that is absolutely fair. I love the fuller. I love that polished look. That is really, really nice. Yeah, he just ran it through the buffer just so we could clean it up, because it somehow, you know, he's a one-man show, and I think he's got somebody working with him now, so he's going to be doing more stuff. I'm super excited about that, hoping he'll get a chance to make more and more knives now that he's getting more exposure. Love his design. This is his first folder, and I think it's just a really brilliant folder. Really, really brilliant folder. I really like his design on this one a lot. It's a flipper. So we've already done a review. We've done an unboxing. Sorry, we've done an unboxing. We've done some shorts on this, but we'll do a full review because I actually sold out before I got a chance to do the review, because I knew we had talked about this right here. Oops, let me do that again. Sorry, I'm trying to do this left-handed. Okay, I'm not good at, I'm gonna do the high. It's easier to do a little bit higher because I got big old, I don't have long enough fingers, but it is really, really nice to get in there. I really like this knife a lot. So I'm glad. I'm gonna be holding on to this. This will ultimately be a huge milestone giveaway, and this is a fantastic knife. Obviously, I'll be doing some content for this all the way up till we get to that huge milestone, but that's what this knife ultimately came back to me from Aaron as a giveaway. But we're gonna go up to that one, and probably I really think this will probably be a 15K giveaway. That's what I'm thinking this will be. So when we hit 15K, this will be one of the big, probably grand prize for the 15K giveaway, because that's kind of a big milestone, right? That's a huge milestone for me, at least. Maybe not for others, but for me, that's a big deal. But I think it's just a really, really nice knife, beautifully dead nut centered, locked in there, nice and solid. Action is just fantastic. Yeah, so he took this apart, he polished up the blade. He might have gotten rid of all the oil. I had some oil in there. So, you know, it is just really fantastic. It's great to have this guy back into the fold. So at least until 15K. This is not for me. I mean, I will obviously use it, carry it, do some content with it. I definitely want to promote Aaron and Franken Forge. I think his stuff is fantastic. I'm really excited about this young man. 22 when I started talking to him. I don't know if he's 23 yet, but still a very, very young man doing these fantastic work, fantastic knives. A lot like, you know, you've got Nathan M. Knives, young man, doing these custom knives as well. So definitely someone that I enjoy. I want to support these guys. I love USA makers. I want to support them. So Really, really cool. Definitely worth checking out. That's really it. It's just a re-unboxing. It's going to be a short video. I just wanted to show you what came back, what I talked to him about, right? We talked about this possibly being a future. Oh, that's just so beautifully polished. Look at that. Wow. That sparkles. Sparkles. So anyways, yeah, that's it. Just a quick one. Just let you know what's coming back. We will do a review on this guy. I'm just super excited. He had a big giant scuff mark. You might, if you were to get really, really close, you have to be a real stickler for details. If you want a perfectly, absolutely perfect, I can see my face sort of there. You can sort of see it, right? But it's not an absolutely mirrored, polished. But it's a highly polished blade finish, and I like it. So there you go. All right, if you found this content fun, interesting, entertaining, worthwhile, would you consider hitting that like button down below? That's what I was trying to point out, like a little early though. And if you've already hit the like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button as well, because subscribing, liking the channel, it does help out. Allows the channel grow, produce more content, do more things for you guys. All right, big shout out. Thank you to everyone out there who watches, enjoys the content. If you didn't know and haven't done it already, there's a notification button down below as well, so you can be notified of future content like this other video. So you want to click that. It's a cool way to keep up to date with the channel. Also, a big shout out to my channel members. You do two things for me. One, you encourage me by your membership, so thank you. Secondly, because your generous support through your memberships, you allow the channel to do things way sooner than I ever thought I could. For instance, you help a big deal with the budget bangers, regular giveaways, members giveaway, help cover cost of shipping, loaner knives when I've got to ship them out. There's so many things you guys are a huge part of. I got to buy stickers. Recently spent $400 on stickers. That's a lot, but I buy thousands of them because I go through a lot. You guys like the stickers. I share the stickers. I send out the stickers because I want people to know about the channel, and I have cool stickers for anniversaries, memberships, all sorts of ways for me to say thank you. So yeah, I take the money that I make in this channel, like this last month, I put that into the stickers, right? I put that into the shipping. I put that into all of that. Someday I would love for the channel to be self-sustaining so I could buy knives for the channel or myself, right? That would be cool. Work so hard, it would be kind of nice to have a little benefit like that at some point, but we're here having fun. I get to check out knives. That's a privilege to me. That's a blast. I have a blast. And I get to hang out with you guys. So to me, that's great. All right. If you haven't already, we talked about that. We talked about, that's a small way for me to say thank you to all you channel members. I want to do two things for you, right? Brand new channel members, email me your name and address. I can mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. Secondly, channel members are eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. Each week we do a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in a month we'll have two giveaways. Members, you could win both. You can enter both. You could win both, right? There's the budget banger giveaway, the members giveaway. I always try to make sure the members giveaway is a little bit nicer than the budget banger giveaway. Something hopefully you'd enjoy winning as a prize or giving as a gift. It's my small way to say thank you. If that sounds cool, there is a link down below in the description. I have 3 different tiers of memberships. Don't sign up if you feel pressure, but if you do, thank you. Thank you so much. Some of you guys are going to say, hey, what about the emojis you can do here in the live stream? What about the kazoo salutes, the anniversary stuff, 3-year anniversary stuff like that now? What about the exclusive content? Yes, there's that and more. My small way to say thank you, just let you know how much I appreciate you. All small ways, but thank you. Thank you. If you didn't know, I also happen to have an Instagram page. Maybe check me out at Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.